Hi everyone, Glama here, welcome back. So today I want to make a short video. I hope I keep it short. And I want to say I'm sorry for how pale I look, but I don't have any makeup on other than some, let me see, raspberry pomegranate lip balm that I put on my lips for moistness, to keep them nice and soft. So yeah, I just wanted to make this short video about the castor oil that I've been using. I think I promised y'all that I was going to show you how I apply it. And even though it's daytime, I'm not going anywhere today. Nobody is really home. My daughter's home with her baby in her apartment that's attached to the house, but my husband's at work, and so he doesn't have to see me looking all goopy-ish. So I thought I would give the castor oil an extra boost to help speed things up, help speed the hair growth up. And so yeah, normally I've been applying it at night. The first time that I applied it was the night of December 2nd, and then I made the video about the castor oil on December 3rd. And so today is, what is today? Today is December 8th. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so I don't know how focused that was, but because I couldn't see because I had it in front of my face. So I've only been using it for 5 days, 5 nights, and because I haven't applied it yet tonight. But like I said, I'm gonna do it today, give it a little bit extra boost and help speed it along, because I'm not seeing that much difference. I was hoping to see more difference from far away from the camera, that they would be more prominent, but they're not. And also, I was left a comment by, I'm not sure, I think it was Esmeralda Schilling. She wanted an update on the progress of the hair growth on my eyelashes, and so I wrote her back and I told her, honestly, I wasn't doing it as religiously on my eyelashes as I have been on my eyebrows. On my eyebrows, I haven't missed a night. I've been doing it every single night. But I told her that I would start using it every night on my eyelashes to give her a good feedback on it. So I'm gonna start using it every night, and like I said, I'm gonna do it right now during the day because no one's home really. No one's gonna see me looking all goofy looking. I'm not planning on putting any makeup on today, so I thought let's just do it. Let's just speed it up. And what I've been doing, where is it? I've been using my little spoolie wand that came with the bottle of castor oil, and that's how I've been applying it. But I'm going to try something a little different today. I have a BH cosmetic brush that I don't ever use. So I thought, well, let me use that, because if I'm going to start putting it more religiously on my eyelash line, I can use this. This will really be perfect for doing it on my lash line. I have another brush similar to it that I use for applying eyeshadow right here in the tear duct area, and it's very similar. This one's a lot thinner, so I don't use it, but I think it'll be perfect for this. So let's try it. And I'm also going to try it for my eyebrows as well. So I hope, hashtag is just jumping all over the place. I haven't even like dipped into the bottle yet. The way I've been doing it is there's so much on the actual, what do you call it? Dropper here, that I don't even have to dip into the bottle. I just kind of like rub it up along here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see if I can get a little closer and get my hair out of the way. And I'm just going to apply it. I don't know if you can see it. You might be able to see the shininess of it, but I'm not seeing much difference, not a lot of difference. You go back and look at my December 3rd video, you'll see that there's not much difference yet, but I've only been using it for like 5 days, so I have to be patient. Yeah, what's the matter, hashtag? Why are you whining, huh? See, so I'm gonna dip into it again for the other one. My word, I hate how this eyebrow grows. You see, they just like on the tail, they just like spike out, because this is the side I sleep on, so I think I stand them up when I'm sleeping at night because I lay on them weird. So yeah, I am going to goop them up big time. Let them really absorb in there today. All right, so that's for the eyebrows. That's what I've been doing. I either been using the little spoolie thing. I think 1 or 2 nights I did it with the Q-tip. And so now I'm gonna dip into it again, and I'm going to put it on the lash line. And the reason why I kind of wasn't doing it on my eyelashes is because it makes your vision a little blurry if you're gonna stay up and watch TV or anything. That's why they recommend doing it at nighttime, so you can just go to sleep, close your eyes, and not worry about your vision being blurry. And it's not because it's bad for your eyes. It doesn't go in your eyes. It's just because it's near your eyes, you can kind of see it. Anyway, main thing I want to do is put it on my lash line right where the lashes grow. Okay, like that. That way it soaks in to the root area of your lashes. Yeah. I think I will go ahead and do it with the wand on my lashes for any of y'all that are curious. I'm just going to load up my little spoolie brush wand and try it on there. Okay, so this is how you would put it on. What is wrong with my hat? Hashtag, get down! You're gonna fall off that, you silly girl. That's only like 2 inches wide. What is she doing? She wants outside so bad. So I'm just going to put it on my eyelashes and then help that poor little kitty. I don't want her to go outside because I don't want animal control to take her. So there's on your eyelashes. I'm not going to put them on the bottom. Well, I guess I could just for camera purposes. Well, you know how to put mascara on. That's all you would really do is just put it on the bottom lashes if you want to put them on your bottom lashes. I'm not that concerned about the bottom ones. So I'm gonna leave it at that because this little kitty is making me nervous. Look at her, she's crazy. Crazy cat. All right, so since I was gonna go ahead and put it on anyway, since no one was gonna be home, I thought why not just turn the camera on and show all of y'all that have been asking me about how to apply it, show y'all how I do it. Alrighty guys, so that's it. I'm gonna help this kitty because she's up on the blinds over here now. My word. Alright, I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah. Okay, kitty, I'm coming.